Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake grow a garden. First, choose your milkshake wisely. A rich, full-fat option provides the best base. Prepare your garden bed by loosening the top 6 inches of soil. Then, gently pour about 1/4 cup of your chosen milkshake over each square foot of the prepared area. This unique method sets the stage for an extraordinary garden. Once your soil is infused with milkshake goodness, it's time to plant. Carefully place your seeds into the treated soil, ensuring good contact. After planting, give the area a light watering. This helps distribute the milkshake's unique properties. You should start to see tiny sprouts emerging within 3 to 5 days, a testament to this unconventional approach. As your garden grows, consistent care is key. Ensure your plants receive at least 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Every 2 weeks, give them a small boost with about 2 tablespoons of milkshake per plant. Be vigilant for any sweet-toothed pests. A protective barrier or natural deterrents will keep your unique garden thriving. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your milkshake-grown produce. Pick your vegetables when they are fully mature, just as you would with any garden. You might notice a subtle, sweet undertone in their flavor, a delightful result of our special method. Congratulations on cultivating a truly unique and delicious garden.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.